Babe.
Mommy,
Yeah?
the shrimp
Mm-hmm.
are like fighting the seahorse.
The shrimp are fighting the seahorse?
Yeah.
They're probably cleaning them.
They're cleaners. They're
They're-
cleaners. Mama. Can I see, Mommy? Mommy, can I see?
It's still working. Brianna, you need to go grab breakfast. Baby.
Maybe they're...
Honey, I took the second test.
upsetting me.
And there we have, it's still faint. The line is still faint, but my period isn't due till Saturday. And today is Thursday, the 30th.
Mommy.